The following is a non-profit fan-based parody. Chainsaw Man is owned by...
Tatsuki Fujimoto.
MAPPA!
Life sucks.
Alright, kid. Your parents never paid their taxes, so the responsibility falls to you now.
Let me be a debt collector!
Welp, life still sucks.
Denji, do you know why I called you out here today?
To kill me, right?
It's to... Wait, what?
Yeah, it just seems like something that would happen in an abandoned warehouse with a sign that says, "Do not enter, zombie infestation."
Well, shit.
This is Obama. Welcome to the United States.
Damn you, Obama. Pochita?
You're being cancelled.
What are you talking about?
Twitter is trying to cancel you and stop production on seasons 2.
Why would they want to do that?
Something about your personality. But anyways, I've given you my verification. Now go get us the second
Wow, would you look at that? A devil. Never mind. Boys, give me the car.
So who are you?
Denji, from this day forward, you're going to be my pet.
I'm into it.
Welcome to the IRS's office. This is where you'll be working for me. And this is Aki. You two should get along nicely.
You think you don't have to pay your taxes?
Yeah.
Then that gives me the right to kill you right here, right now.
I don't care who the IRS sends. I'm not paying taxes.
Wait, is that why you kicked me in the balls 16?
Mere mortals, bow down to me in my status! I am power, the one and only, the glorious...
And that's about the sum of it.
I see. Well, maybe we can reassign Denji in the meeting.
So,
I think that I make a good team member. What may be that...
Doritos Cool Ranch. All right, my turn. Are you a virgin?
What?
I sense property damage.
What's this? A stereotypical tax-paying American.
Yes, now keep your promise.
Yes, the promise. I would love to, but I have a flight to catch.
What flight?
This one. Now then, this should get the IRF moving. Hey, what are you doing there?
She didn't answer my question.
What question? Jeez. Of course, the first person I see is an IRS agent. I just didn't want to pay my taxes.
Same here. But you did something worse than tax evasion.
Really? And what was that?
God bless me! What happened?
'Twas more than one enemy.
Oh, Well, did killing the first one look cool?
That was pretty sick.
Come.
You're right. I did good. I did
All
good,
right,
right?
get out of here.
I like the purple crayons.
You better not be dead. You're awake.
Huh?
We docked your pay for the medical bill.
You did what?
Makima's arranged for you to stay with me. So get your things.
And then I took the Fiend's head, like so!
What are you little
And with all taxes added, it will equal up to 600,000.
What are you?
Making an iconic anime moment.
Wait, you?
Have you ever heard of the Gun Devil?
Man, another good day in Ohio.
That kinda seemed pointless.
I don't think so, because if you kill him, there will be more where that came from.
Looks like there's a devil inside.
Is that the gum bitch inside? Let me out of mine.
Oh,
Is that crack flavored gum?
I will murder these all!
Bitch, that better not have been the gun devil!
The day has once again been saved by I.
Good job, little girl, but that wasn't the gun devil.
Mutiny.
Alright, guys. As an active hall monitor, Oh. We didn't kill the devil.
Oh god, it's the Deviantart devil.
What the hell just happened?
Kobine just stabbed me.
And I do it again!
We're on the same side! I swear, everybody but
Where's the bathroom? That's it! I'm sick and tired of all of you!
Deuces!
Huh. All that for a tiny little thing like this. What the hell? Where am I?
Hey, Denji.
Where did you come from?
You want to do it?
Do what? So, are we just not going to talk about what just happened?
Nope. You're too young for that talk.
Okay.
You know, you got it pretty good, kid. Friends, a good job, let you kill people, and a potential girlfriend.
Wait, what?
Yeah, good job, girlfriend, friends.
Hold on. Friends? You think I have those?
Well, yeah. Don't you live with Aki and Power?
Well, yeah.
Haven't you gotten close to them?
I only really met them a few days ago.
Oh.
Yeah, and the girlfriend thing? I'm sure Makima would be a good girlfriend. I just haven't made a move yet.
That's not who I was talking about when I said girlfriend.
Why is it that every time I leave the house I sense property damage?
You know, maybe Himeno had a point. I have a pretty good life compared to my last one. Things have been going uphill. Maybe, just maybe, I can have a normal life for once.
The IRS always finds those who don't pay their taxes, Denji.
Hey, what are you...
Power!
Alright, what just happened? Denji got shot in the head, and Himeno looks about the same. What do I do?
Oh, this Hershey's bar had a knife in it.
Power, check on those two. I'll buy you some time. Fire!
1.
Fire!
2.
Fire!
3.
Do it now!
So, are we gonna talk about this?
No, I'm not gonna let you play with Hot Wheels on my boobs.
Well, like, that's a little upsetting, but... Huh?
What the hell?
Watch it.
Huh?
You two, a shooting just took place on this train. I have felt significant loss to my capital since I've left. You will clean up the bodies, get me a new change of clothes, and 13 civilians. You understand?
How is she doing?
She's stable, but 'tis losing a lot of blood.
A gun? Could they be working with the gun devil?
It's bold of you to assume that we're with the Gun Devil.
Who are...
I'm just here to pick up my friend. You good?
Yeah, I'll handle it.
Why didn't you just do that from the start?
I've got an idea, but Aki might hate me for it.
You know the cost.
Do it.
Oh, jeez. That is a big one.
That's enough.
Himeno?
You've seen better days.
Shut up.
Anyways, have you seen Denji yet? He's the only reason we're out here.
Don't worry, I took the liberty and killed him myself.
Alright, slow down! And back away or I'll kill this guy!
Doesn't matter, we can always replace agents.
What are you, the government?
Yes, we're the IRS.
Wait, but we're the IRS. Did the IRS just send its own members to kill itself?
Yep.
Dang. That's kind of stupid.
Oh well, I don't make the rules. I just collect your taxes.
Bitch.
Alright, get him in the car.
Hurry up and help me get him in the car.
I'm the one carrying him.
Hurry up, I'm getting a bad...
Does anyone believe in God?
Tell me, do you like when people touch your things?
No, it doesn't really bother me.
Yeah, I don't like it either. Which is why
Oh man, what?
I like to keep my dogs on a very tight leash.
We forgot to finish off Makima. I swear, why can't we just finish people off?
What is this girl, a monkey?
A spider monkey? You bitch! You missed!
Die inside the van!
Oh, okay. I get it now.
So wait, he's a dog?
Yeah, and he's getting revenge on his father by
No, we bought a whole basket for Rocky.
Give me the apple!
Can you two just get out of my room?
Oh, hey, we got you an apple. Hope you recover well.
Why does it? It's just not fair.
bitch.
Denji, Power, I want you to meet your new mentor. He'll be teaching you.
Number 1, do you pay your taxes?
Nope.
What the fuck are those?
2, how strong are your spines?
What?
Oh yeah, you two will do just nicely.
So we heard that you need to get stronger.
And we know you're not the biggest fan of devils, so the only logical action to make is to make another contract with the devil.
But much more powerful.
So have fun!
This close to shooting someone.
Well, howdy there, fella. I hear you need a new devil.
Just hurry up and get this over with.
Okay.
I see what's happening here.
Wait, what happened?
Let's just say you'll be sticking to your gun until the day you die.
Okay.
So we are sorry for taking you there.
Hey, just be glad you're not your partner right now.
Thanks for the ride.
Hey, Aki. If you ever need anything again, just ask, okay? Hey, are you listening?
I bet those two won't make it to see season 2.
Alright, ladies, we tracked the IRS back down to one place. Our own office building.
Why do we have a whole police brigade outside?
Because I felt like it. Now go inside and do your thing.
What's this? Do I smell zombies? Better hit the with a punch!
Whoa there, buddy! Don't go treading on me there or you'll get the biscuit buster! The cornbread crash! And the cottonhead clobber! Oh, why, hello there, Missy! Would you like to ride on my red, white, and blue tractor?
No snacks were provided. Hey, you. Want a bite?
What about me looks like I want a bite of a zombie?
That's not what I was talking about.
You're disgusting.
Have fun! I'm leaving you here!
Denji, have you come to pay your taxes?
Nope.
Well then.
You'll pay for this!
You should know! I'll never pay!
You literally killed hundreds for your greed.
You did the same thing to get those zombies down there!
Okay, you might be right, but shut up!
Whoa! Hey, wait! Are you gonna do that fast thing again?
Yep.
Whoa! Wait, hold on!
That's it, you're done for.
Hey, dumbass! You got something on your face! These nuts. Ah! Got him! So you know that I split his penis perfectly in half as well.
I don't want to hear it.
Wait, what the hell happened? Where's Sawatari?
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, that's bullshit!
What's her name? I thought it was Goku.
Shut up. It's over. All this just because you didn't want to pay your taxes.
Hey, Aki, I got an idea.
What?
You remember how it felt when we first met?
Yes. How do I forget?
Come on! You want to join?
Yes.
Makima, after property damage, civilian death, and people we had to pay, we're $2 billion in the hole because of you. How do you plan to repay this?
Well, give me a movie in a second season.
Hello, and thank you for watching Chainsaw Man in Minutes. We had a lot of actors on this one, and I am just grateful and thankful to everybody who loaned their voice for this, and all I can say is see you in the next one. Go watch the original.